So this is a spacious and luxurious living room. So this is our kitchen, where this is where you get spacious and luxurious third bedroom of the flat, which is a master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome back to Housey. Myself Nakesha, and in this video I am going to give you the sample flat tour of Kohinoor Kallario Phase 2, which is located behind Decathlon Kharadi, Pune and developed by Kohinoor Group. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location of the project, in which behind me is the sales office of the project and behind the sales office is the land parcel of the project. The road being shown to you right now is the road that connects you directly with the Upper Kharadi Road. But before I show you our sample flat, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly with the builders, giving you all a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other current property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the developers, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now, giving you the project's overview with the help of project's 3D model, Kohinoor Kallario Phase 2 will be constructed on 5 acres of land parcel comprising 4 towers with each tower of ground plus 21 and 23 floors respectively, which will be having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now, let me tell you about the location and the connectivity of the project. This project is located behind Decathlon Kharadi, Pune. इस लोकेशन के कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है रिलायंस स्मार्ट विच इज़ विदिन 350 मीटर्स, अवलवाड़ी रोड विच इज़ विदिन 1.6 kilometers and Lifeline Hospital which is within 1.9 kilometers. Now, let me tell you about the amenities this project provides you with the help of project's 3D model. This project has over 35 plus luxurious amenities such as swimming pool, gym, kids play area, yoga and meditation room, multi-purpose hall and many more. Now, let us check out the sample flat of this project. So, as you can see, I am standing at the entrance of a 3 BHK sample flat of Kohinoor Kallario Phase 2, which has 1037 square feet covered area. So, here at the entrance you get a video phone for security purposes, and then this is your entrance's lobby, where this is where you can set up your shoe rack or decorative items. Now, let me show you the living and the dining space. So this is a spacious and luxurious living room, where this is where you get your couch setup space and that is where you get your TV unit setup space. You also get an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles, Teflon glass railings and is two-side cover. Now, before I show you our dining space, let me show you the first bedroom of this flat, as it is based on the butterfly concept. So this is our first bedroom of the flat, which is the guest bedroom, and as you can see, this is where you get your bed setup space. You also have an attached window to it for ventilation and natural lighting. And then this is where you get your wardrobe setup space. You also get an attached guest washroom, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. Now, let us check out the dining space of this flat. So this is a dining space area where you can set your dining table up and enjoy your lunch and dinner with your family and friends. Now, let us check out the kitchen of this flat. So this is our kitchen, where this is where you get your granite platform with a sink attached to it. You also get a dry balcony attached to it, where you can set your washing machine and utilities up, where you get a window and a sink attached to it and window for ventilation and natural lighting. And this is where you get a refrigerator setup space to set your fridge up. Now, let us check out the second bedroom of this flat. So this is our second bedroom of the flat, which is the kids' bedroom. As you can see, this is where you get your bed setup space, and this is where you get your wardrobe setup space, and you also get a window attached to it for ventilation and natural lighting. Now, before I show you the third bedroom of this flat, which is the master bedroom, let me tell you what Housey provides you with. Housey provides you with actual location tour, sample flat videos, pros and cons of the project, EMI and payment schedules, and 360-degree location tour. All of this just under one platform. So, what are you waiting for? Register now for free and book your site visit today. Now, let us check out the third bedroom. But before I show you the third bedroom of the flat, let me tell you about this common washroom that we have here, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. Now this is where you get your spacious and luxurious third bedroom of the flat, which is a master bedroom. So as you can see, here is your bed setup space, and then you also get an attached window to it for ventilation and natural lighting. And this is where you get your wardrobe setup space. You also get an attached master washroom to it, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample tour of Kohinoor Kaladio Phase 2, which is located behind Decathlon Kharadi, Pune and developed by Kohinoor Group. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com to book your dream house today.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.